Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra Air Sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to feed in. Libra, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, Six of Wands, the Lovers, and the Tower, Five of Wands. I think Libra, there is a lot of drama is going right now in your relationship. Maybe for some, you are in separation with this person. For some, lot of arguments, lot of disturbances. But there is love between you and your person. Love is there. And you are getting success for your hard work and recognition for your hard work. I think one person in this connection could be popular. So let's see your reading recent past, Page of Cups, Three of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. I think someone approached you with apology. Maybe you are waiting on them because Seven of Pentacles is here. So you are waiting on them. Yeah, someone approached you in past for reconciliation and there is some text. Yeah, maybe that could be your soulmate. For some there will be reconciliation, for some in recent past. For some, lots of you are involved in a third party situation, maybe family, friends or other man or other woman could be the issue here. Then present Six of Swords, Two of Cups and Five of Swords. Yeah, this is your soulmate and love is mutual between you and your person. But lot of arguments and lot of issues going. Even though those who are in relationship right now, there are some issues. Who are in separation, definitely maybe you decided to move on. Six of Swords energy. But there is communication is coming to fix the things. But there are some trust issues, guys, because Five of Swords energy. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you, backstabbed on you. Yeah, trust issues and lot of issues going. Then future, Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups and Eight of Swords. So there is financial stability is coming for you, especially in your career. Your money is very good, Libra, but in relationship wise you are feeling stuck. You want this happiness from your person and but it is not happening. That's why you're feeling stuck. Maybe family not accepting your love, maybe third party involved in this connection. You are stuck on them. Still you are thinking about them. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Seven of Cups, Ten of Swords, Five of Swords. See. Page of Wands. Yeah, communication is coming. They want to say apology. They know they did hurt you. Maybe they in and out of your life. They are realizing their mistake. Yes, they are realizing their mistake. That's why they're coming back with an apology. I think maybe your person have options or they're in some type of confusion. Ten of Swords. But they still want rebirth in this connection. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Tower. Yeah, they are realizing their mistake. And Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you. Lot of spying is going, they keep putting tabs on you. Definitely you will receive communication or text message from your person, and right now they're missing you so much. They're going through a lot, a tower moment. This separation is a tower moment for your person. Four of Cups, they're missing you and they're feeling missed opportunity with you, and they're very very attracted to you. Knight of Wands energy. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, Nine of Swords. They're missing you so much, especially when they are alone. They are thinking about you a lot. Temperance. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Seven of Swords. See, trust issues. Maybe this person is not trustworthy. The Sun and Six of Cups and Hangman. Yeah. Maybe you walked away from this connection. Maybe if you are in separation, they are realizing you both. Libra. And Six of Cups, they are thinking about you a lot, and they are thinking about reconciliation. They are thinking about marriage. See, Sun card. They are realizing that you are their happiness. And they are missing you very badly, and they're patiently waiting for right time. Patience is the key here. And Seven of Swords, definitely they scared for rejection because they did hurt you in past. Now they're wanting you back. That's why they scared. That's why they are maintaining some distance from you, but they are missing you so much and they want to come back, but they're scared. What I'm getting here, but now they're thinking about you 24/7. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. They are realizing your worth. The Hermit. Yeah, they are now spiritually awakening and seeing everything in detail. Maybe they are healing. Yes, they are working on their self. They want rebirth in this connection. Now they have no strength to come forward because what they did to you, now they're feeling guilty. Yeah, I think you also undergoing some transformation. It is a major transformation time for both of you. Yeah, lot of passion. I think you still have passion towards this person. Yeah, you are at some crossroads, Libra, but they are wishing to communicate with you. So let's see mutual, and the person involved in this connection could be Virgo or Sagittarius. You are taking your control back. Yeah, there are some trust issues between both of you. Even that's why they're not coming back. Maybe they're taking their time. Yeah, they want to come back, but they are holding back because due to trust issues, due to what they did to you. Yeah, there is no equal give and take. In past, they treated you, they ghosted you, but now they really want to offer this, but it will take so much time. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I want you back. Free yourself. For some, this person is sneaky for you. That's why free yourself. And I can't give you what you need. I'm not feel good enough for you. Yeah, they're scared because they're not feel good enough for you because they did wrong to you and they did hurt you in past. Toxic person. Yes, for some, this person could be toxic for you and stability is coming. So these are the messages from your person, and so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Take time to breathe out. So if you're doing a lot of work, this is the message for you. Take a break and hold your vision, fixed moon. So if you want to achieve anything but you are not seeing any result, maybe if you're not getting any result, this is the message. Hold your vision, definitely it will come true. Maybe you want to manifest something, So then it is also a message for you, hold your vision. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.